garden. I'm out here today getting ready to put together some floral bouquets to put around the house because I have company coming over. I didn't have time to go to the store and grab some fresh flowers, so I thought, why not pick them from the yard? So I'm gonna walk through what I would do to make my house ready for guests coming over by just using flowers from the garden and also greenery from the yard. Fresh flowers in a home always makes it feel special and inviting, and I know you'll all want to do it. So follow me, let's go pick some flowers. Okay, so here I have some Queen Anne's lace, which is just beautiful. And I'm gonna cut some long stems. Cut long, you can always shorten it. So here we go. Some things from the yard, and I also have some gladiolas that I picked yesterday. Here's some fern that I picked from my front yard. I love having a fern on the front porch, but I also love the cuttings. They're so pretty as cuttings. So I'm just gonna set these over here as well. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take this gladiola. How beautiful is that? And I thought it'd be pretty to just kind of be at an angle here with some ferns, but maybe one of these big stems. You need odd numbers. So I have 4 Queen Anne's lace, so I need one more to help the art form. Just like gladiolas, this is the statement of this bouquet. I would need either 1, 3, 5, you get the picture, but 1 I think is really pretty. And then one other thing I think I'll do is kind of tilt the focus this way by adding some ferns. What do we think? So pretty. Okay, I'm going to set this over here and show you a couple of other things. So one neat thing I like to do when guests are coming over is put a small vase in the bathroom. It seems insignificant, but it makes all the difference. So what I've done is I gathered 3 of my purple vases, and I thought the cluster, again, odd numbers are best in an art form. So I have the cluster of 3, and what I'm gonna do is make it real wildflower like. So I could use these Queen Anne's lace, but I think I might pick some zinnias. So let's go grab some zinnias just right over here. perfect in the bathroom. Okay, so now I have my bathroom arrangement. I have my centerpiece on the kitchen table. Next, I'm gonna do something for the coffee table. You can see how even just fern branches, and I mean, gosh, here, let's look at this kale. This is kale from the garden. And even something like that could be interesting. These gladiola leaves are beautiful. So this one's already broken. I mean, it's so pretty, especially if we put a little Queen Anne's lace there. Okay, I'll stop experimenting. I like it. So again, I'll set this on my coffee table and I can roll it together to make a cluster or spread it out. All of these things you could find in your yard. So don't be afraid to experiment. And last, I'm gonna use these gladiolas to put something in these tall vases, and maybe I'll use them, maybe I won't. I'll see what I need around the house. But thanks for hanging out today. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've been inspired to put some greenery or wildflowers in your home. It looks so pretty in a home, even if it's just a branch from the yard. So take some time, gather some plants, gather some flowers, and bring the outside inside in your home. Thanks, y'all.